Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing my reviews and lip swatches of Maybelline Super Stay Ink Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is how lipstick looks. So let's talk about the packaging of this lipstick. It does not come with any sort of cardboard packaging. It just comes with a seal packed sort of packaging which is now open. And if you want to know that this lipstick is used or this lipstick is returned item, something of that sort, so you can easily identify just by doing one thing, which is when you open this, the seal will get open. As you can see, this is now open and seal has also opened, as you can see. So this is the way you can identify whether the product is brand new or unopened. The packaging of the lipstick is color coordinated, as you can see. This lipstick retails for rupees 650 for 5 ml of product, which is not that good or not that bad, which is okay. Now let's talk about the wand of this lipstick. The wand looks like a teardrop wand which has hole in the middle, as you can see. The hole which is in the middle holds lot of product, so only one dip is enough to apply onto your entire lips. So in that way you can save your product as well. You will always find this product in a sale or in a discounted price on various websites like Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. So if you want to buy this lipstick, just wait for discounted and you can grab this lipstick from various websites. Let's talk about the texture of this product. It says that it is a matte ink liquid lipstick, but texture of this liquid lipstick is slightly creamy, and when you apply this lipstick and when you close your mouth like this, it somehow feels sticky, which I don't know why does it feel sticky, because maybe the formula of this product is sort of sticky, and I haven't seen the formula of any liquid lipstick of such sort. It says that it is matte lipstick, but the finish of the lipstick is not that matte, so they don't appear fully matte onto your lips. It feels like it has silky or a satiny finish. However, the lipstick is transfer proof, as you can see, and it does not smudge from your lips and doesn't even bleed from the corners of your lips, which is a great part. And this lipstick stays onto your lips for a longer duration of time. I must say the longest duration of time, because for a trial basis I had applied this lipstick at 7 p.m. evening, and I did all my eating part and all of that sort, and I didn't remove the lipstick. And very next day when I woke up at 8 or 9 o'clock, the lipstick was onto the place. It didn't even budge, it didn't even fade, it didn't even bleed, nothing. But if you eat something oily, it will fade a bit and leave a butthole, which doesn't look nice. And if you have chapped lips, then the lipstick will settle onto your chapped lips, which doesn't look nice. So just scrub your lips and apply good lip balm before applying this lipstick. The formula of this lipstick is drying, so make sure you prep your lips with lip balm before applying this lipstick. And when it comes to a removing part, this lipstick will only remove with the help of oil based micellar water or something of olive oil or coconut oil. It won't remove from any normal micellar water or just a makeup removing wipe. So make sure you always use oil infused micellar water or oil to remove this lipstick. These lipsticks will give you one swipe application, and if you have pigmented or dark lips, it will also cover that as well. Overall, this lipstick is nice. You can give a shot if you haven't tried this lipstick yet. So now let's see the swatches of these lipsticks. So with that, our review and swatches video of Maybelline Superstay Ink Matte Liquid Lipstick completes. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did so, then please share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy and spread happy.